What's up, guys? This is Chris.Donley with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to be showing you this 2016 Forest River Georgetown. This is a 329 model. Let's go inside. So obviously 329 denotes that it's a 32-foot length coach, but you'd be deceived by that by the way this is laid out. This is a really nice area here. Big slide, U-shaped dinette, and this is actually kind of more of like it's almost like a theater seating. You've got the recline option, stuff like that. You don't have the console, but you're still right across from the TV here. Easy to watch, comfortable, hopefully no neck pain. Big counter space here, so whether you're preparing a 5-course meal or mixing up some drinks, you got plenty of room here. Double sink, undermounted stainless steel, got the 3-burner stove, standard there. Convection microwave up top, and then down below here, a ton of drawers, storage, stuff like that. U-shaped dinette obviously makes into a bed. All these cushions come off, so even a guy like me could sprawl out there if I wanted to. Storage underneath each one of these. The middle one has storage too, and storage up above. Lots of light in this, thanks to this galley window here. A lot of manufacturers don't put in a galley window. I like it because a lot of times when you're camping, you want to see out to your camp spot too, so that's nice. This is a bigger fridge than I have in my home. Okay, I'm a little bit jealous right now, but French door fridge, freezer on the bottom, ice maker. It's huge. I don't even know how they fit that in here. Pantry, I like this. The drawers, so you're not doing the Marco Polo thing, reaching way back in there, trying to figure out where you left everything. Now your sink's going to be separate from the bathroom here. I'm personally a fan of this because it still lets someone do something if someone else needs to use the shower or the toilet and things like that. Storage up and down below. We'll come into the bedroom first here. Queen bed. Good windows in here. I love this huge window off the back. Lots of nice natural light. Wardrobe here. Got a wardrobe there. Lots of drawers. So even though you're in 32 feet, if you wanted to do like an extended stay somewhere weeks at a time, you got lots of room for clothing and stuff like that to where you're not hitting a laundromat every few days. And now that we're on this side, I'll show you the bathroom real quick. Nice big shower. Guy like me, no problem. And it's a one-piece fiberglass too. That's really nice. I like it when they utilize space like this too. You even got little cabinets here if you want to put towels in them and things like that. So pretty smart designs on this little coach. Up front here, you've got the bunk bed. Show you how this works really quick. This flops down like that. So one person or 8 kids, well, yeah, if they don't weigh enough, 200 pounds. Pretty easy to operate. It's assisted with hydraulics here, so this isn't real heavy, and it's going to keep it from slamming down. You just got to lift this up, push it up, you're all good there. Cabin area, when these flip around, you've got your table here, a little cocktail table or what have you there. Great visibility in this, one-piece windshield. Pretty low profile doghouse too. You're not doing a big step over into the seats. You can slide around them and everything real easily. Georgetowns do a little bit higher platform than a lot of others. Let's go outside real quick. Entertainment center in here. You got the ABS cast compartments there, waterproof. They got little drain holes and everything. So if you're putting stuff away in the rain, which always happens to me when I pack up camping, that's something you can do. These have a fiberglass roof too, so they're a really well-built unit. They drive really nice, and again, just a lot more to see than what I can show you here on the video. So I invite you to come visit me, ask for Chris, and check us out here at Guarantee.